Here are some really nice LED lights that just put up on the house, and these are unboxing and review of some patio lights. These are these really cool LED style lights, kind of a Edison style amber glow to it. These are really cool. This is a big one, 120 feet, and 60 pieces LED, and input voltage is 120 volts, and the wattage is pretty low, 0.6 watts. That's great. So we'll go ahead and open this up. This is from Amazon, and when you open it up, you will find, I'm assuming these are a couple of extra bulbs. You can see that they're LED filament type, so they draw very little energy, and they seem very durable. They have a plastic, I believe this is a plastic case, yeah, so not as fragile as glass. Alright, and then you have a little user manual, just giving you some warnings and talking about installation, telling you what's in the contents and giving you some information about sizes and bulb parameters. So this is what you're getting in the box. Looks like we got a total of 4 spare bulbs. That's pretty cool. And you open it up, got 120 feet of these really nice bulbs. We'll go ahead and install these and then turn them on tonight when it's nice and dark, so you can get a feel of what it's like. So, you know, one end is just for your power. The other end, you could extend it beyond 120. You could put, you know, another 120 and a 240 if you want. But should be fun to see once it's up there at nighttime. And it's saying the bulb material is plastic. That's good. Light source is LED. And the lumens are 80 lumens per bulb. That's pretty good. That's pretty bright. They call it a warm white. Frequency is 27,000 is frequency, so that's kind of a nice amber. It looks really good. It's made in China. Manufacturer is read that, Shenzhen CMC, Optoelectronics Technology Company. Okay. So installation, just plug it in, and the bulbs are the bayonet style, or just twist in type, so it's good, and that's nice and secure. Very lightweight, and you can tell that they're strong plastic. Okay, so it says the bulbs might have gotten loose during shipping, so give them a little tightening each one. Make sure they're all going to work. Alright, so we'll put those up today, and then we'll take a look at them tonight, see how they look. Here are some really nice LED lights that just put up on the house, and these are 120 foot. You get these at Amazon, and they're really well made. They're very bright. I just have this plugged into a timer here that comes on at night. Put some over on the fence too, but they're really pretty frequency of light and very durable. So these are actually made of plastic, and comes with all the lights for 120 feet. They give you 4 extra ones, and when I was putting them up, I did drop the whole line from the ladder, so it dropped probably about 15 feet, and only one broke, but it wasn't even the bulb itself, it was the filament inside. So the bulbs are really, really tough, very durable. And since I had 4 extra ones, I just screwed in a new one. So really happy with these, and just gonna probably leave these up permanently, and then especially around Christmas time, I can fire them up. Really nice.